If your business depends on cranes operating at their peak day in, day out, when a hydraulic cylinder fails, you need a superior quality, quick turnaround repair that won't let you down. But repairs to bigger cylinders mean bigger challenges. From disassembly to inspection, boring and honing to hard chrome plating, everything happens on a large scale. That's why Berendsen has gone to extraordinary lengths to upscale and upgrade our capabilities with bigger, better equipped repair centres, high-tech digital repair processes, expansive in-house capabilities including world-class engineering and manufacturing, and an extensive hydraulic cylinder knowledge base to answer the questions asked by crane owners and operators. And we've invested the most to answer the biggest question of all. How do you restore a high-quality hard chrome finish to the longest piston rods in existence? The answer? By custom designing and building Australia's longest 360-degree horizontal rotation chrome plating tank, engineered to deliver superior chrome deposit depth and concentricity for optimal service life of rods up to 12 metres. Featuring a dual contact system delivering optimal current density with ideal anode to cathode ratio for reduced contaminants and improved adhesion. The result is the only facility capable of achieving chrome deposit depths over 200 microns for rods of this extreme length. This means only Berendsen can restore a hard chrome finish that lasts longer and performs better in the long run. We apply this extreme quality control mindset to the entire end-to-end hydraulic cylinder repair process, which is why we developed Frontrunner, a fully digital cloud-based hydraulic cylinder repair management process using tablet computers to log and manage every stage of repair, ensuring adherence to repair procedures and streamlined repair processes to minimize costly downtime. Our world-class in-house engineering division has developed a library of detailed schematics for the hydraulic cylinders we repair, providing technicians with access to accurate technical information and answers about correct repair procedures. Our engineers design upgraded components using sophisticated reliability simulation software, which are produced in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Newcastle. These are the highlights that set Berendsen apart. High-tech digital repair, bigger, better equipped workshops and in-house capabilities, upscaled hard chrome plating facilities, engineering know-how and quality control. The bottom line is no one goes to greater lengths to provide high-quality, fast turnaround hydraulic cylinder repairs for the largest hydraulic cylinders.